Hello YouTube, and welcome back to Useapalooza with me, the Inconsistent Crafter. And today we're going to be painting this stick I've been hoarding for days. We're going to paint it to look like a skeleton hand. So it's going to be pretty basic. I mean, it's going to be white with some black knuckles, and that's pretty much it. But I've been wanting to paint this for years, and I've literally just had it sitting here. So we are going to do that today. Anyway, you know the drill. Enjoy. Okay, so here is the finished product. Hold on a second. My dog. So I turned it into a little skeleton hand. I'll have to take a picture of it and post it on here because you cannot see how long it is otherwise. But yeah, just painted it all white, and then I added some black around the knuckle pieces, and I'll just hang it somewhere for Halloween. This is definitely something I'm keeping though, because I was hoarding it to do this with, and it turned out amazing. And I did spray a clear lacquer over it to seal it. But like I said, I will put a picture on it so you can actually see it. And that's the end of this episode of Useapalooza with me, the Inconsistent Crafter. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.